So you will notice I'm in Miss Steele's class for your project. I'm sure Miss Kunkel's looks very similar, where they have linked your template for your science project. So first of all, when you are opening this for the first time, only one person in each group will need to do this step. So you open that template, only one person. Notice it opens in a new tab, and here is your project template. Notice it says view only, which means you need to make a copy for you and your partners. So you're going to go over here to File, make a copy, and title it. Title the copy the way that your teacher has asked you to title it. I'm going to take off that copy of. At the end, I might put my name and my partner's name. Then when I hit OK, notice it's going to go into my drive. So I'm going to click OK. And I now have 3 tabs open. So while that one's sitting here opening, notice it's now mine. And I'm going to get rid of the one that's a template, so it's out of my way. And I actually need to share this one with my partner. So I'm going to go over here to share, and I'm going to find my partner's name. Let's just pretend I have. And I would hit send. And then now I'm not really going to, now my partner has that same template. And so my partner could sign in as well as I can, and we can be working together. So the next steps is noticing this first part is where your bio will be. This is the template of how to make your post. And so you're going to start with your bio, where you're going to add a picture for your Instagram, and there are directions for each part out to the side. And so to make that picture, we would go over here to Insert, Image, Search from Web. Brings up this search bar. Let's pretend my element is gold. So I want to go find a picture of gold. So here's a great one. So I'm just going to click on that one. And down here, I'm going to hit Insert. And so now I'm going to have that picture pop up. But I want it shaped like that. So in order to get this lovely picture shaped like that, I need to go up here to this little area. The down arrow says mask. So I'm going to click it. And I want to mask it the shape of a circle. And so I want it more like a circle. Oops, squeeze it out a little bit. And then I need it that big. So I'm going to make it smaller, 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 smaller. And then I can click it and drag it on top of there. And so I want it to cover that whole entire image. Next, notice how small this is. I might make it to where I can view it a little bit bigger. So to change the size of my screen, I go up here to View. I could zoom in, maybe 50% would be better, and so now I can actually read it. So to change the text with the directions here, to change this text, I click on it, brings up my text box, and then I can erase what was given to me, and then I would enter the information that is needed. So right here is your username, and then again, just following that direction. So here's where I would enter in my bio information. Follow these directions. So once you have your bio done, then you're going, oh, I can hit my site. Yep, I can change that. Element name gold. Once you have your bio done, looking much better than mine currently does, then you go to the next slide. And it has some similar pieces to it. So notice it has the profile information. Well, you already have that. So you can go to that first screen and copy it, edit, copy, go back to that screen, edit, paste, and so see how it does right there? So you could do the same thing with your username, edit, copy, and you could edit, paste, edit, paste, or I don't know, then it kind of goes on top of each other. Which one do you want? So I might get rid of, I need to zoom in. Remember, view, zoom. I'm going to go to 100% because I need more space. 2 fingers to scroll up and down. And so I want that. You know what? I'm going to get rid of that. Go away. Delete. And then I can change this to my username. A little tricky. And so forth. So there you go. Golden Crew, I think is what I named myself. Now what if you accidentally, you're supposed to be typing here, enter location name. you're supposed to be typing in here. And what if you accidentally deleted the box? Ah, I didn't mean to delete the box. I could go up here and do an undo, and then it has it directly. Or again, if I accidentally deleted the box, I could create my own. Although that is not ideal because your font is not going to be the same font that you originally started with. So it's best, first of all, not to delete the box. And if you notice you did something wrong, hit the undo button so that it goes back. There you go. Last, I think I'm going to show you how to insert a picture into this space. No, actually I want to zoom back out so I can see. Now that I have this looking with the profile picture and the profile name and so forth, the way I want it on every single screen, I'm going to duplicate this slide. So I'm going to click off of it and then back on it. And I want to make another slide that looks exactly the same. Edit, duplicate. So notice now I have 3 slides. I could edit, duplicate again. I believe you need 5 of those posting slides. Once you have them all duplicated, then it's time to go and add the picture. So you add the picture the same way we just did for your profile pic. Remember, insert, image, search the web, and then find the picture that goes along with what you are going to post, whatever it happens to be. Click, insert, size it from the corners is best until you get the size that you would like, and position it in there, and continuing to follow the directions.